Hello, welcome to this new tutorial on Java. So today we're going to discuss about the set interface, the interface I'm talking about. In the last two videos, I have discussed about the list interface, which is used to maintain a list of objects. And today we're going to talk about the set interface. So what's a set? Set is a mathematical concept. You can put items into a set. So set could be like, you put 12, 13, 14, 24, 25. So these are the items you can put in a set. And the big difference between list and the set is the set keeps unique items. So if you can't try to add again 12 here because that's not unique because you already added 12 here. So set will keep unique items. So if you want to just maintain a list of items which are unique, then you can use the set for those kind of operations. So today we're going to look into three different implementations of the set interface. So first of that is HashSet and LinkedHashSet and TreeSet. So these are the three different implementations of the set interface, and let's see what's the difference between them, and then we can go through with the help of an example. So you see HashSet, so that's the first one. When you want to really store unique items and when ordering is not important, so you can put the stuff into the set, and when you try to print or you try to navigate through them, whatever the order you put the items in, the order of retrieval will not be the same, or it may not be the same. It could be same, but it doesn't keep any ordering. So when you don't care how the items are stored, the only thing you care is the items are stored and they're unique, and when you retrieve items, the order is not maintained. So if you really want to maintain the order, like if you put item 1, you put item 2, you put item 3 in that order, and you want to maintain that order, then you have to use LinkedHashSet, because it does the same thing. It still stores unique items when ordering is important. So it maintains the order of insertion. So basically, whatever the order you put the items in, you can read the items in that order. So there's another one, TreeSet, that's third implementation. So there are other stuff too, but we're going to go into these three main things actually. So the TreeSet, what it does, it also stores these items, unique items, and it maintains the natural ordering of items. So let's say you put items in the set, in the TreeSet, I'm talking about this one. So let's say you insert 2, number 2, you inserted number 3, and after that you inserted number 1. So when you retrieve the items, the number 1 will come first, and then number 2 and number 3 will come, because that's the way the natural ordering of those items are. So we're just going to quickly do it with the help of an example, and we can just so let's say we want to create, let's say, a big string, and we're going to just say cars and new HashSet. So this is the same concept we have been using in the list and all these things, so nothing new here. We just need to import these classes. So we have cars, so I'm going to add cars, let's say Ford, add Honda, and we're going to just now print these cars. Okay, so you can see, oh, actually I misspelled this Tesla, but you see I put Ford first, I put Honda, then I put Tesla, but how it printed Ford and Tesla, then Honda. So let me just fix this typo here so that we don't have to deal with it. Oh, so now it did Tesla first, then it did Ford, and did Honda. So I think if you keep rotating, it can do in any order, it doesn't matter. So if you can keep running multiple times, it might do in a different order. But okay, so this is the first set we are talking about, the HashSet. The order is not important, but still items are unique. But just to give you an example, let's say you want to add another here, let's say Ford again. We have now 4 items, but let's say if you print, you still have 3 because Ford is a duplicate, so it will remove the duplicate item out of it. Okay, so I'm going to just copy this whole thing again and go with the next example of so this was for the HashSet, and now we're going to do this linked HashSet. So what I'm going to do here is just put here linked HashSet. We have to import this one. Okay, now it's coming on the utility interface. No, that's not right. Linked HashSet. Okay, so yeah, I typed it wrong. So, and we can use cars. So let's use cars 1 and everything. I'm going to say cars 1, cars 1, cars 1, cars 1. I'm going to print them. So as you can see, here I use this linked HashSet. So I put the Ford first, I put the Honda second, I put the Tesla third. Fourth one I put Ford again, but that doesn't matter. So what it should print is it should always print Ford first, then Honda, and the Tesla. It will not print the next one because that's a duplicate. Okay, so you see the first one is still coming from here, so it's printed, doesn't matter whatever order. But the second one is printing Ford, Honda, and Tesla. You see this here. So if it doesn't matter how many times I run this program, the second one will always stay same: Ford, Honda, Tesla, Ford, Honda, Tesla, because linked HashSet keeps or maintains your insertion order. Okay, let's go for the third set which we talked about, the TreeSet. You call it here. I'm going to call it let's say cars 2. Everything I'm just changing this variable to cars 2. I'm just going to say cars 2 here. Okay, so what should happen in this case is yeah, so I think I'm just going to remove this. It doesn't really matter actually. So here cars 2, and we are trying to implement this with the help of TreeSet. So as I mentioned, in the TreeSet, what happens, it doesn't matter what order you insert the items in. When you print, they are printed sequentially, based on their natural ordering. So what that natural ordering means, so Honda, I think I want to just change it a little bit so that F and let's say Audi. I'm just trying to show that order, so we put Ford, we put Audi, and we put Tesla. So this doesn't matter because it's going to be a duplicate, so it's not going to be inserted. So when I print this cars 2, what will happen? Audi, Audi A is the A is alphabetically is the first in the list. So Audi will come, then Ford will come, then the Tesla will come. So let's run it. Audi will come, Ford, Tesla. So it doesn't matter how many times you run. Audi will come first. So this maintains this basically just sorts your things out. Actually, that's what it does. Whatever you put in the set, it keeps when you retrieve the item, they come in the sorted way. Or that's the natural ordering. And there are ways if you want to really change the ordering, natural ordering, you have to just do a comparator thing. Actually, you have to just implement that in so that you can do your custom logic for comparison, how you want items to be ordered actually. So these are the 3 things we want to discuss today. So it's very quick, and you have to see your use case when you really want to use which one. So it should be pretty clear. Ordering is not important here. The order is important. The order you inserted the item is the order you want to retrieve the item. And if you want to really sort the items, so this is the one you should use TreeSet for that. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good one.